describe. More than a feeling, more than a feeling. No, 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 yeah. You dey blow my mind, you dey blow my mojo. Me, I no delay. I'm giving the moves to the rhythm now. I love the way that you love me. You, God, you ain't done, they blow my mind. Love the feeling all the time. Show me love I don't deserve. Oh, now you, yeah, you ain't done, they blow my mind. Love the feeling all the time. Show me love I don't deserve. You call me your favorite baby. Before mama call me your name. Fire, your blessing me daily. I know I'm your favorite baby. Yo. Cause you favorite baby, yo. Jiggy, man, it's shot for me, die. I single Baba fry, yo. Set now on John, be love. All of my days you are shown me love, yeah. Tell my love far away me. It's keeping me company. You won't wait there for me. When people condemn me, yeah. The coco. And me my colongo till these people don't know. Like Sarin Popo, Shana, you and you ain't done, they blow my mind. Love the feeling all the time. Don't show me love I don't deserve this love. Oh, now you, yeah, you ain't done, they blow my mind. Love the feeling all the time. Show me love I don't deserve. You call me your favorite baby. Before mama call me your name. Fire, your blessing me daily. I know I'm your favorite baby.
Mix Wonders Magic.
The way you love me, oh so patiently. No one above me is what you just say to me. I have searched around, found nobody else to crown. For you alone deserve my praise, every night and every day. One by one they come my blessings, through all the trials and testings. So much grace you've shown me in my testimony.
trying to let it all go, so I can freely follow. I know that I should cast my cares on you. Sometimes it's hard to let go. So I'll trust in your word.
What's up, Chad? Good morning. What's up? Happy Tuesday, everybody. What's up, Andrea? How you doing? Shout out to 11 viewers right now. If you guys can drop some energies in the chat. Let's go, gang. Let's go.
So I let go. No more about no. Let go. So I let go. Come to you withholding nothing. With my hands up high, I'm singing your praises. I've left all that behind, I'm following you high. There's no going back down, I'm holding on you tight. Nothing can separate me from your love. Nothing can take me away from you. So I let go. So I let go. No more about no. Let go. So I let go. Let him take control. No more struggle.
Yeah, first giving honor to God, to Miss Carol who had first brought me and my moms, to the church where I know I ain't been in so long. I just pray that when I call they still pick up the phone. Yeah, with judgment coming from all angles. I never defend myself for approval from strangers when they don't give a damn about my kids. Shit, you ain't gotta pray for me, just pray for them. And pray for my mama, pray for my sis. We miss my granny, we need her at times like this. To think I prayed for the world to be back open, just to lose both of my grandparents to COVID. And pray for every one of my little cousins, who was really more like sisters and brothers. I gotta thank them for sharing their dad, cause growing up he was really all that I had. You know, growing up at a young age, my pops got deported to Jamaica. And my uncle stepped up and was the father I never had. So when I say like, gotta thank my little cousins for sharing their dad, they really shared their dad with me. He was the father figure I never had. And he really part of the reason why I am the way I am today. And why I'm as successful as I am in this very moment. Instead of arguing on live, I should have prayed with T-Fly.
What's up, chat? How you guys doing? What's up, MC Philip? How you doing? Kapiyan, boss? Yes, boss. How you doing, boss? Shout out to 17 viewers right now. How you guys doing? Good morning. What's up? Forhad, how you doing? A long time. I hear that you're making a lot of money, bro. I'm good, boss. I'm really good. Blessed and highly favored, boss. How you doing? Damn. Oh, you're cracking, huh? You're cracking the market. You're cracking the market, bro. That's nice. All right, chat. How you guys doing? 4 minutes for candle to close. We might have some potentials today. Pretty early, so yeah. Let me do the top down analysis here. Let me do the top down here. How many pip move on the week? So we moved 790 pip. Let's start with the daily time frame. So the daily time frame, as you can see here, we're still, moving up towards to the upside. And how many pip we move? We move already 300 pips on this. And right now we react on 3,660 area. And I would say we need to grab bottom wick here, right? We need to grab bottom wick, probably like this. Bottom wick enable for you to push up. I'm always expecting that on the daily time frame, all right? I'm always expecting bottom wick because bottom wick is, equals a range, right? You need to grab orders down here, enable for you to push up if you're gonna push up on directions of bullish. The 4-hour, okay, we have bearish closure on the 4, as you can see. Man, heavy bearish closure, but respecting these minor levels on price here, right? So you have resistance, you have support, and then we have probably weak fill. This is gonna be weak. Is it gonna be filled today? Let's see. All right, we have 4 hours about to close here in 18 minutes, and if this 4-hour close, yeah, there's a room to move down here. How many pip? We have 160 pip move, to move down even further today. So 30 minutes time frame, we create some sort of structure here on price, and I'd say you have resistance here and support here, but you have minor levels being created here in the lower time frame, especially in the 15. So yeah, 15 is about to close here. You have resistance form, support form right here. So let's see here. We have decent range, at least 80, 77 pip range. So yeah, man. Let's see if this, creates some bottom wick. And yeah, move down here. Let's see if this candle gonna close bearish below this range. This candle close, there's a high chance that we're gonna continue down. Right there. We need closure below here, enable for us to take sell. Ooh, 50 pip stops. Let's see. I can use the current candle stops. Like if this candle close below, yeah, I'm probably gonna use this after creating a topic, re-breaking the previous candle. It's gonna look like this, and the trade should be like this. The stops is the current candle high, and then move down. But let's see again. Let's see. We need closure here. 30 minutes is about to close in 16 minutes. Right? We move down. So this is heavy bearish closure. But right now we're going to look for clean range. So we have clean range at least 60, 70 pips, 80 pips range going down. So yeah, it's a decent range. Good day, Rich. How you doing? How you doing? Shout out to 22 viewers. Chat, make sure you like the stream, all right? Like the stream and subs to the channel too. Yeah, I know we're pretty bullish today. We're still bullish on price, but I just open all the time on buys and sells, where the price is gonna go. So yeah. Once you re-break this previous candle low on the 30, should move down here heavy. But probably no top wick, right? No top wick. Damn. We need bottom wick here and re-break the current candle low for taking sells here. We need the bottom wick. 3, 2, 1. Damn, no bottom wick. No bottom wick. No bottom wick, gang. So yeah, let's see. You're gonna do by now. You took buys or what? Right. Careful for buy right now, okay? Very careful because we close below the range here. We close below, so yeah, be careful here on price. We have volume. We just need to wait for top wick, probably topping here and then flip. It's gonna look like this. So yeah, man. We close below, so yeah, you're on buys. Be careful here. The candle closed below the range. This candle should move down. The candle should move down here. Heavy. Is the 4 is bearish, okay? So the 4 is we move down here. Oh, that's the one candle, 1 hour candle. So the 1 should move down. Fill the wick. The 4 is, forming bearish, re-breaking the highs there. So there's a next candle. Once this candle close bearish, you re-break the high there. Yeah, it should move down. Hopefully, yeah. I hope we move down. Because right now we don't have any corrections, we don't have any retracement yet. We have here, but yeah, this is gonna be core retrace. But this one is not retracement, it's just ranging around here on price, right? As you can see here, we have range here, create some range. There's no retracement yet. Yeah, there's probably today we're gonna retrace this 3580 before heading to the top side. Or yeah, because gold, you need to see reactions, you need to see corrections, like what happened here in the past after we move up like this on the 4, as you can see here, right? You need to see the structure first, creating some ranges towards to the downside, towards to the upside. So see, look at this, right? So you're gonna probably always look on the left, look at this push, and look at this push, right? So what happened right now is once you react here and then create some structure, it's gonna look probably the same, right? And this is gonna be in the past 2 years of trading gold, this my um data into gold, because I'm always showing up every single day. So right, I notice all the patterns creating here on price. So yeah, let's see. If you're buying here, be careful, right? Be careful. Yeah, we have bullish. We're still bullish, but be careful here because the smaller time frame, like the 15 and 30, is creating some ranges to push down. Okay, so if you're buying, be careful. 5 minutes clean range going down here, right? The problem here, that's why it's not pushing down heavy, because the 15 has closed without any bottom wick here. So no bottom wick. That's why it's hovering around. This current candle is hovering around, not pushing through. Okay, there is a high chance that we're gonna probably react here right now. Probably close bullish like this. Or close doji bearish. Because we don't have any bottom wick on price here, right? But if this candle close bearish, yep, there's a high chance that we're gonna continue re-break the previous candle low there. Be careful on the 30 if you're buying here. Okay, be careful here. You re-break the previous candle low, so it's change of character for me. Once you re-break here on the 30, so the trend is gonna be bearish. Can continue down here, retesting the low. You have clean traffic to the left here. So yeah, be careful here, gang. Shout out to 20 viewers right now. Chat, can I see likes here? I believe 8 likes. Can I see 20 likes here, chat? 20 likes and subs to the channel. We are near 1k subs. We need to see 1k subs probably this month if we can, you know. Five 15 30 days bearish, but I'm scared of shorts after blowing my account yesterday. Oh, I'm sad, bro. After you're blowing, why you're taking trades without any high probabilities? You probably take shorts. You probably take sells on buying pressure, right? That's really sad, bro. Blowing an account's really sad. But it's okay, you know, it's part of a game. It's part of, you know, how you grow up in trading, right? Just buy a challenge again and then continue, you know, trade. That's gonna be my advice today. 8 minutes gold, 8 minutes for candle to close. Yeah, we have some range on the 1 hour here, chat. Range. We have 140 pip range, and then the next one pretty clean. Damn. This might drop today. This might drop. This might drop today, gang. Seven minutes and 30. Chat, if you have any questions, you can drop in the chat. Any questions? Drop it in the chat. What's my bias today? I'm still bullish on price at Che, but I'm open for sales too. I'm open to take sales, right? Because we're creating some structure here. So I'm open to take sales. I'm open to take buys, but the buys need. So if this candle move down, like this on price, now I'm gonna wait for candle to close bullish, probably like this to continue popping up. But right now I'm open for buys and sell. Let's see here how this candle close, how the 30 minutes candle close. In 6 minutes, yeah, I probably gonna give it a shot to take a sell here after creating a top wick, and then probably the flip is the entry, and the range should be filled here on, or probably break this range, break these candles on the left, right? Because we have volume, right? This, you know, the structure meant to be broken when we have volume. So yeah, let's see here. Today we don't have news on the USD. Tomorrow we have PPI. So yeah, PPI tomorrow. Thursday, CPI. Friday is prelim. So when tomorrow is, yeah, it's interesting day, and Thursday is interesting day. Friday I would believe there's nothing, but it's red folder. CPI and PPI, yeah, that's gonna give you a lot of volume. No trades for me yesterday, so yeah, I pretty chill today. Pretty chill, no trades, no buenos. How many pip in this September? 54 pips, no L's yet. Hopefully no L's this Sep. Hopefully. 4 minutes per candle to close. Philip, be careful here. You're taking pineapples, huh? Pineapples, huh? Shout out to 27 viewers right now. Chat, like the stream, alright? Like the stream and subs to the channel. Like the stream, subs to the channel. I'm live every single day, Monday through Friday. So I see you guys in the stream every day. So this is gonna be, if this candle close bearish like this, and then the next candle open up, you re-break the high and then start to flip, it's gonna be good here. Grab in order here. So that's the 30 top wick. Should move down. 1 hour is bearish, chat. Okay, 1 hour, 4 hours bearish. Should move down here. You top the support on the 4, and you top here, you react, you pull back, and right now we're retesting that support. So if you're taking buys here, be careful. Okay, be careful here, gang. It's really risky to take buy here. We are in the top of the range and then you're taking buys. Damn, no bro, no. No buys, bro. Why you're taking buys here? Who taught you to buys here, bro? It was before now. Oh. Yeah. Here. Yeah. 1 minute for candle to close. The 30, yes. Man, the 30 wick fill 27 pip. We need the top wick on the 30. Top wick and flip. Should move down here. 50 overall. Bah, man. 1 minute, chat. 1 minute. Let me see. If we're gonna pops down today. 15, yeah. This 15 should, what do you call this? The next 15 should re-break the high and then flip like this. That's the 30 top wick there. Right? So let's see here, gang. Let's see. A scientific hunch, the trading system for beginner. It profit already, but did hit my TP. Oh. Did hit your TP, huh? Be careful here for buys. But, man, if your impulse is good for buys here too, but be careful. I'm bearish on the 30. 1 hour is bearish. So, man, I'm probably gonna give it a shot here. Top wick. 30. Give me top wick here, 30. 30. Give me top wick. The 30 should give us top wick here. We pops down. We pops down. Okay, I'm gonna put the sell stop on the rebreak of this current candle low. It's gonna be sell stop here, chat. Okay, rebreak of the low here. This, once you rebreak this, should move down heavy today. Once you rebreak, should move down heavy. Boom, 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 boom. Shall stop, yep. Yeah, we probably can use this Karen candle stop on the 30, so let's see if we're gonna move down heavy today. Ranging day, ranging day, ranging day. Can we activate it here in price? Can we activate? Activate. Not yet. It's not activated. Should activate in any seconds right now. Shout out to 35 viewers right now. Make sure you like the stream, subs to the channel. 34 pip stops, 35, 36 should be good here. That's the 1 hour, flip. Re-break should move down heavy. We should move down today, man. Can we move? Can we move today, chat? Can we move down today, man? No execution sell, all right? Sell stop. It's not execution sell. Be careful here. Because Philip, he's on the buy, so probably he gonna push the price up. Man, the YouTube is hanging. Damn, what? Can you re-break the lows now? Bro, can you re-break the lows, bro? Re-breaking the lows should be good. Once you re-break that, should be good. Stops should be 35 pips. Mm. Come on, Goldie. What you wanna do now? What you wanna do now, Goldie? Re-breaking the highs again. Yeah, re-break the highs and react. 8 minutes for candle to close. Re-breaking the highs. Yeah, you re-break the highs there. Now, once you re-break the low once again here, should be pops. Should be pops down. Mhm. Mhm. Delete the Yeah, if you don't like the trade, if you don't like the sell stop here, yeah, you can. I'm not saying you guys take my trade. This is part of my plan. This is part of my setup. So I need to take this trade. But if you don't like, or if you like, yeah, take the trade, take the sell stop. But if not, it's okay. I I'm gonna take the trade, no matter what. All right. Can you re-break the lows now? You re-break the high again. You fail. Man, this should be good. This should be pops. In 20 minutes, this gonna be look like this on price. All right, we about to be activated here, chat. In just a seconds, can we activate it here on price? Psst. Can I see some? Dun, dun. Not yet. Probably this 5 might push down heavy. Should have range to fill 50, 49 pip range. Damn. All right, we probably gonna be activated here in any moment. All right, I'm activated here, chat. Activated on sells here. You re-break the previous candle low. Sorry, the current candle low now. So my stops probably up here on price gonna be 36 pip stops, and the TP probably below here, or I'm gonna extend here, should re-break this structure on the left. Okay, so yeah, let's see, gonna push even further today. We locked in, gang. We locked in today. Let's see if we're gonna push even further. Can we push through? Can we push through? Probably gonna move my stops to break even once you re-break this previous candle low on price. Ugh. Yeah, my stops up here 36, 37 pips. Once you re-break the high again, yeah, we're probably gonna go out of the trade. But if not, we're still good. We still move down here. The 5 should move down heavy. The 5. 5. Can we move? Can we move 5? Re-break the low. Mm-mm-mm. Ta-da-ta-ta-ta. 2 minutes for candle to close in the 15. Yeah, 15 should move down. All right, gang, I'm gonna move my stops to break even and close some partials right now. This is gonna be a risk-free trade. We pick 10 pips here on price. I'm gonna move my stops to break even now, and yeah, let it run towards to the downside here. It's gonna be a good trade. I close half on the 10 pips. So risk-free trade. Risk-free trade, everybody. That was nice trade. I told you guys should move down today. Told you, gang, should move down. Told you guys should move down and pops down. I hope you manage your trade here, chat. I hope you manage your trade. But 15 is about to close in 17 seconds here. Probably gonna hit the break even here. On the top wick, 15 should move down. The next 15 should move on like this. If not, probably we're gonna grab the 10 pips today. Psst. Oh, all right, man. Break even hit. Break even. I pick 10 pips here. I close half of the 10. Break even hit. Wow, why this candle pushing up? Yeah. So that's a trade for me. That's the trade, everybody. I picked 10 pips here on price. manage the trade, and yeah, I hope you got some there. Right? W, man. W day. W. W10. It's okay. Right? We took the plan. We plan it. We trade the plan. 10, 10, 10. Close of the week fill. Yeah. Yeah, should be there. Should be on the week fill. Otherwise, we probably gonna move up. Full. That's the 30. Yeah, onion. Current candle low. Onion sell. Go London. 12:15 p.m. 9/9/2025. W, yeah, W. Is there possible re-entry or you will wait for a new session? For new re-entry here, should wait for candle to close and the 30, right? This 30 should close. We need to wait for the 30 close because that's the 1 hour start to hover around here on price. But yeah. Man, this 30, this 15, it didn't move down here. I expect this 15 to pop down heavy, but it popped down in different direction. But it's okay, 10 is okay, right? 10 is okay to me. I don't need to, worried about. So, sales plus 10 pips. Yeah, that's okay to me. We need to manage the trade, otherwise I'm probably gonna take else. If another good setup comes in same sense, you take it. Yeah, I probably gonna take it. Let's see, I still have time. We still 12/17, 12/18. So if there's any high probability setup here, if I want to take buys here, if we gonna grab some buys, I need to see a re-break of the lows here. Like this. And then come back in the range. You need to re-break the lows and the next candle should pops up. Taking buys on the re-break of the previous candle high, and that should be it. Or gonna look like this. Yeah. Take buys up. Man, we creating some wicks in the price here, which is not good. Yeah. Wow, too many peeping deepers. I see 40 viewers right now. We're just 22. Half of you guys are left already. Man, why you doing this to me, gang? After taking trades, you're dipping, huh? Holy. It's okay, it's okay. Pale, where are you, Pale? Where are you, man? Did you go take the profit on your buys there? Trying not giving out signal on the oh, they took their times and be on their yeah, man. People, yeah. It's okay, man. It's okay. As long as they're liking the stream, as long as they're subscribed to the channel, that's okay for me. That's really okay. 10 pips and they're my buy coming. Oh yeah, your buy is coming. Man, this is the problem on price here. When we wanna, when we wanna grab some runners today, we're creating some wicks before heading to the downside here. And then one candle spike down like this, right? Damn, that's really ugly candle here. 50 minutes candle. I expect this candle because I write this on price here, right? And I expect on the next candle move heavy. No need for top wick like this. But it didn't happen. It's okay. Sometimes like this. Sometimes you need to create some wicks, right? Yeah. Psst, buy, man. Be careful on buying here, huh? 1 hour is bearish now and has a clean traffic on price here. This candle closed below the range. Man, you have clean traffic on price here. We're just waiting to price to drop. We're waiting to, to price drop here. Heavy. Probably, yeah, we're gonna see some drop here. Taking buys on this area is really good, or here to move up. Damn. Damn, chat. You want more trade? You want one more? Type it in the chat if you want one more. One more trade here. If you want, type it in the chat. In the chat. Type one more. Type one more in the chat if you want one more trade. Let's see. Let's see. You didn't re-break 2 on the 30. Type one more in the chat if you want another trade.
Good morning, traders. Happy Tuesday. And yes, guys, it is the same old story once again. We boxed off yet another home run yet.
Chat, who wants another trade here? Type it in the chat. You don't like another trade? Another 10 pips? You don't like don't like another 10 pips here? Probably you're thinking like, oh, he's just taking 10 pips a day. This streamer just taking 10 pips a day. And call it a day. Some people might ask, like, how come this guy taking 10 pips a day and he's profitable, he's deep discipline, his patience. Yeah, some people might ask here, coming up, showing up in the stream, why you're taking 10 pips and you're profitable in the 10 pips? How? Oh, Bill, you're buying, huh? Congrats. Congrats, gang, if you're buying gold. $30. Yeah, close bullish probably. But he didn't re-break the lows. It's not good for me to take buys. No re-break of the lows here too, so it's not good for me to take buys here. If this candle re-break the lows at least, and this is good for buying up. Didn't re-break the lows. So yeah. You took the sells too, Riz? You grabbed the sells too, or you're buying up? Or you didn't take trade? Bottom wick. We have minor levels on price on the 15. So yeah, 15 may react here. Damn, we're just ranging again, ranging on price. $22. Shout out to you guys. Any questions? Any questions here? We're just ranging again here. No good, man. The 1 hours looks ugly here. No continuation here, man. No continuation. No continuation. Mm-mm-mm. Damn. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. Those buy did push the market. Yeah, probably. Yeah, those buys, man, they're pushing the market. If we're taking buys right now, we probably gonna see 10 pips again. 10 pips, yeah. 10 pips. These are reaction of key levels on higher time frame. Which time frame? 1 hour, 1 hour time frame? Yeah, 1 hour time frame should react here from the support. We still have 22 minutes for this candle to close. So I sample size it, this one. So once you top 3650, it's good for sell here. But I'm not gonna grab sell. I probably done on this session. I took sell already. So if you guys wanna take sell, you wait for topping 3650.6 or 7 here. It's gonna be look like this. And the stop should be up here. 30 pip stops and target below like this. This should be fine. It's sample size trade. You have structure here, right? You have structure here. So I sample size this resistance area wicks entry and support area wicks entry. It's probably gonna look like this. I need to wait for the bullish structure first, tapping this area, tapping this zone, and then react. Right now we have reactions, this one, and then, you know, like this, and continue down. Or it's gonna look like this, the pattern. So it's inside the range already, and then once you tap this again, yeah, taking sell there is good to continue down. Probably like this. So that's, you know, ranging game, ranging setup. And when the support, so support should move down first for me, should move down, right? And should move up. Then from here, you're gonna take buy. Or yeah, it looks like this once you move up. Yeah. You're taking sell here, taking buy here, or taking buy here, taking sell there. That should be nice. But I would say this zone is not really tough because when we have volume, the zone should be break like this to fill the range on the left. Four minutes for candle to close. Give me 1 second here. Oh, we're tapping 3650. Nice. Tapping there. Cool. Need to tap this 3650 area. All right, gang. I'm probably gonna take some cells here once again here. Right, taking sell here, but the low risk. Okay, let this candle run. I'm gonna put stops, 30 pip stops here on price, and I'm gonna let it run here towards to the downside. Let's see here. This sample size trade, and this should be fine. This should be good. So if you don't like the trade, you cannot take the trades. Okay. For me, resistance area, resistance trade. So should sample size this trade. Let's see, because we create some structure here on price, and yeah, should move down here today. No top week closure too. That was nice. That was nice. Oh, push. That was nice push, chat. 12 pips, 12 pip, 15 pips. All right, nice. That was really clean move. Really clean. Should manage my risk probably on the rebreak. Once the rebreak again, should move my stops to break. I'm 7 pips in profit now. 8 pips in profit. So yeah, let's see here if we can move down. But the stop's still there. Oh, I see 15 pips in profit. So yeah, if you guys wanna manage the trade now, you can manage the trade. Manage the trade there, but I'm probably gonna hold this trade until NY. Let's see here. Wow, what will happen here? You're gonna, you know, hit the stops, or we take us in profit today. Let's see. Just I have 30 pips. 30 pips. 3653 is my stops. There's no any high here, so that's my stop. 3653. Yeah, if you wanna hold the trades a little bit longer. So yeah. I raised only the dubs that I took today, the 10 pips. So I just raised that. I'm gonna take this opportunity to push down today. Let's see. All right, the 4 is still open. We still have 12 minutes. The 1 hour, we still have how many minutes? 12 and 49 seconds. 30 minutes is about to close the same with 31 hour in the 4. So the 15 is open up here. Respecting the zone, you top the resistance. So yeah. Let's see. But once we re-break this previous candle low, I probably gonna move the stops to break even. So it's gonna be a manage. Down buys took my profit. Now I'm your trade. Let's get the sells. Yeah, it's gonna melt today probably. So I'm 8 pips again in profit. Once you re-break the previous this current candle low, I probably gonna move my stops to break even and let it run. Let it run. The buyer's still in the market right now. Mm-hmm. Choo, 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 choo. Oh, nice move, chat. I'm gonna move my stops to break even now. I picked 20 pips now on price, so yeah, I'm gonna move my stops to break even and let this run towards to the downside here. This should be pops down. This should be move heavy today on price. So 16 pips in profit. I just moved my stops to break even now. 15 pips, 24 pips, 25, 30 pips. That was really nice here. Man, probably gonna close full right here, chat. At 30 pips. So closing at 30 pips. That's nice trade today. I'm not gonna hold the trade again. 30 pips. That was really nice. Damn. W, man. Took two trades today. Wow. That was really nice setup, huh? Right after creating a market structure here, should be fine. Should be after you create the push up, right? On price. And yeah, man. Like this. And we move down. And then right now we move up. And then this. We took a sell right here, right? This one. Yeah, I should be ranging. Once the price is ranging here, you need to wait, tap the resistance and support, and then that's it. Right? That's it. That's how we take these trades. So yeah, man, this is gonna be good. Sample size the trade, quick entries on the resistance. Damn, 30 pips, really nice here. Two trades a day, man. How many? Yeah, 0.5% again. That was nice. Half race and that's the 15, right? 15, yeah, 15 minutes time frame. Weak entries on the resistance area, sell, gold, London, 12:45 candle. And 9, 9, 20. So yeah, man, chat, W gang, W. Thank you guys for being patient today. We don't take any trades yesterday, but we took two trades today, man. Two trades today. Probably gonna call it a day now. Sells plus 30 pips. How many pips you got today, chat? How many pips? Drop it in the chat. I'm gonna do some stories today. Drop it. How many pips you took today? How much you got in profit in USD? Let's see, gang. How many? How much? Let's see. Let's see. Drop it in the chat, bro. I need to see. I need to see it here, chat. I need to see how much you got today. Pips wise, USD wise. Let's go. I'm gonna make some stories today, gang. Let's go. Drop some W. How much you got today? How many pips? W at the chat. Oh, wow, nice. All right, gang, we're still melting here. Really nice if you got the trades there. Damn. Damn, that's a good sample size trade, huh? Sample size trade, really clean, no drawdown. Damn, bro, no drawdown here. Chat, if you have any questions, let me know, alright? Let me know before I head off. Chat, man. W day, chat. W day. Took two trades a day. I'm gonna call it a day, chat. I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna hit the gym, enjoy the rest of the day today. Man, that's a nice trade. If you got the same trade with me, bro, you're probably making bags there, gang. You're probably making bags there, and enjoy the day, enjoy the rest of the. You don't need to risk any amount of profit today into the market. When the market is a little bit slow, when the market is pushing up, you don't have any setup, man, call it a day. You don't need to risk any money in the table, trying to make $1,000 a day, trying to make $100 a day. No, bro, it's not gonna happen, bro. It's not gonna happen. I believe me, I went through those process. I went through those mindset that I'm gonna flip 1K a day. I'm gonna flip $500 a day. It's not gonna happen, bro. It's not gonna happen. You need to understand how to call it a day, how to be content. How to be a content to you're contented with the profit. It's all about discipline. It's all about patience, right? And congratulations, everyone. If you got the same trades with me, we got 40 pips today. And yeah, we're gonna come back tomorrow again and hit the dubs, right? But I would say it's not all about the W's every single day. It's about patience, how we follow the plan, how we follow the rules. All right. So yeah, man. Love and wisdom to you all, chat, and probably gonna see you guys tomorrow, right? Don't overtrade, don't over risk, everybody. All right, don't overtrade, don't over risk. See you guys, and love is out here.
Just a little something, show you how we live. Everybody want it, but it ain't that serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion? You don't see just how wild the crowd is. You don't see just how fly my style is. I don't see why I need a stylist. When I shop so much, I can speak Italian. I don't know, I just want it better for my kids. And I ain't saying we was from the projects, but every time I wanna lay away or deposit, my dad'd say when you see clothes, close your eyelids. We was sorta like Will Smith and his son. In the movie, I ain't talking about the rich ones. Cause every summer, he'd get some brand new hairbrain scheme to get rich from. And I don't know what he did for dope, but he'd send me back to school with a new wardrobe. And I think he did when he packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everything I wanted, man, it seems so serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion? When it feel like living's harder than dying. For me, giving up's way harder than trying. Lauryn Hill said her heart was in Zion. I wish her heart still was in rhyming. Cause who the kids gon' listen to? Huh? I guess me if it isn't you. Last week I paid a visit to the institute. They got the dropout, keeping kids in the school. I guess I clean up my act like Prince do. If not for the pleasure, at least for the principle. They got the CD, then got to see me drop gems like I dropped out a PE. They used to feel invisible. Now they know they invincible.